Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can block and disable pop-ups and redirects in the Comet AI browser on desktop computers. So let us dive into this. Launch the Comet browser, and what you will need to do is navigate to your browser settings through that arrow down icon in the top right. From there, navigate to settings at the bottom of that list, and here next to privacy and security to the left. Next step, guys, click into site settings. After that, scroll down and select additional permissions and scroll even further down. Let me find it really quickly. Click into additional content settings, and here guys, under content you will find it, pop-ups and redirects, and just make sure that this option here, don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects, is set as your default behavior. You may always add various or assign exceptional rules to specific websites, like Perplexity. I did that, for example, automatically, as it seems here, and has been added to the list of exceptional permissions to send you these pop-ups and redirects. You may remove these entries, of course, from that list and take away that permission by clicking into remove here, by selecting block. Or you may, the other way around, guys, you may allow pop-ups and redirects if you like, if that's your choice, and simply add an exceptional rule for websites you don't want to allow these pop-ups or redirects. And that's basically it. That's how you block pop-ups and redirects on the Comet AI browser. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.